how to log into AVIS account. So without any further ado, let's get started with this video. First of all, on your desktop, you have to open up any web browser that you prefer. Here I'm going with Google Chrome, and on the search URL, type in AVIS login. Then press enter on your keyboard. After that, you will be taken to this interface with multiple search results. From that, head over to the first link that says login into your AVIS account or www.avis.com. Click on that and you will be directly taken into login page. So first of all, you have to enter your valid username or wizard number. So enter your valid username and under that enter your correct password. If you want to save in your login information for the next time you log in, simply turn on this toggle that says remember me. If not, you can simply skip that and once you're done typing in your username and your password, click on login button and on the next page you will be logged into your account if you have entered the correct login information. And that's how you can log into Avis account. And that's all for today's video. I hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, do not forget to subscribe, like, comment and hit the notification bell icon for more upcoming tutorials like this. Thank you for watching till the end. I will see you on next video.